afternoon, everyone. My name is Princess Jean Kawan Magay, and this is my persuasive essay about protect our forests now. Our introduction is forests are essential to human life and environmental balance, yet they continue to disappear alarming at an alarming rate. Every year, millions of trees are cut down due to illegal logging and conservation and human greed. According to environmental reports, around 10 million hectares of forests are lost globally each year. How can we expect a safe and healthy future if we keep destroying the very source of life? These issues demand immediate attention and action. Body, I strongly believe that protecting forests should be everyone's responsibility. Forests provide oxygen, regulate climate, prevent floods, and serve as home for wildlife. When forests are when forests are destroyed, animals lose their habitat. Communities become vulnerable to disaster, and future generations are left with a damaged planet. This is not just an environmental issue, it is a human issue that affects us all. Today, people around the world are already taking action. Government, government, schools, environmental groups, and communities are joining their planting program and forest conservation movement. When millions of people choose to protect forests, it becomes clear and saving nature is the right things to do. We must act now. Act together, act responsibility by supporting conservation effort and practicing sustainable living. We become part of a growing movement that value life and the future. In conclusion, forests are more than just trees, they are life, protection, and hope. Destroying forests means destroying our future, while preserving them means, means securing a safer world. For the next generation, the choice is in our hand. Let us protect our forests today, protect our forests tomorrow, protect our forests always because we will save our forests, we save our future. Thank you. This is my 20 vocabulary words with synonym and antonym of persuasive text. First is vocabulary. Protect. In synonym, guard. In antonym, destroy. Essential. In synonym, important. In antonym, unnecessary. Sunod is destroy. In synonym, in antonym, preserve. Preserve. In antonym, conserve. In synonym, waste. Careless, negligent, and careful. Urgent, critical, delay. Support, assist, oppose. Action, effort, and inaction. Responsible, accountable, irresponsible. Harmful, damaging, and beneficial. Future, tomorrow, past. Safe, secure, dangerous. Reduce, decrease, increase. Join, unity, separate. Strong, powerful, and weak. Life, existence, and death. Home, hope, opinion, despair. Vanish, disappear, remain. Important, significant, and trivial. And last, protecting, defending, attacking. Thank you.